Hello everyone, and welcome to another Realty Candy video. In today's tutorial, we're going to work with two widgets that work extremely well together, the Google Maps widget and the Counts widget. When combined, these tools allow visitors to explore your communities, see how many listings exist in each area, and understand exactly where those properties are located on the map. Together, they create a powerful browsing experience for real estate websites. Before we begin, we invite you to visit realtycandy.com to learn more about our services and the tools we offer to help real estate professionals build better websites. Now let's get started. First, we'll log into Go High Level. Go High Level is a very powerful CRM platform that allows us to host and manage websites, and it's a tool we highly recommend because of its flexibility and ease of use. Once we are inside the dashboard, we go to Sites, then Websites. In my case, I have a website called Lender, so I'll click on that. After entering the website, we'll open the home page, which is the main page of the site. This is where we'll install our widgets. Now we look for a good place on the page where the widgets can be displayed. As you can see, we have already worked with other widgets in previous tutorials. So now we simply identify a clean space where these new widgets will fit nicely within the layout. Once we find the correct location, we click Edit in New tab to open the page builder. Now the editor opens and we can see the section where we want to add our widgets. First, we click the plus button to add a new section. Then, we add a new column and set the column to full width so the widgets have enough space to display properly. Next, we click Add Element and choose HTML code. This will be the container where our Google Maps widget will be placed. To keep everything organized, we rename this element Google Map. Now we add another element. We click the blue arrow and again select HTML code. This second container will be used for the Counts widget, so we rename it Counts Widgets. At this point, each widget has its own container. Next, we add a title for this section. We add a text element above the widgets and name it Map Search. Then we save the page. After saving, we preview the page to confirm that the new section appears correctly. Now we move to IDX add-ons. Inside IDX add-ons, we go to Apps and search for Google Map widget. Once we open it, we can see the configuration options. If we want to center the map on a specific location, we click Get Coordinates. A pop-up window appears. In the Search City field, we type Miami. Then we click Search and Save. Next, we adjust the zoom level to control how close the map appears. Once everything looks correct, we click Preview Widget to make sure the map is working properly. As we can see, the map loads correctly. Now we copy the widget code. Then we return to Go High Level, open the Google Map HTML container, and paste the code. We click Save, and then save again in the builder. After previewing the page, we can now see the map fully displayed and working. Next, we return to Apps inside IDX add-ons. This time we search for Counts. Once we open it, We click Add Widget. Then we select Cities. Now we begin searching for the areas we want to include. In this example, we focus on Miami. So we select the different Miami cities, subdivisions, or areas that we want to display. After selecting the cities, we click Save. Before copying the code, we can customize the design. Inside the Style section, we can add the colors that match our website branding. In this case, our website uses green as the main color. To get the exact color, I copied it from a button on the website and pasted it into the badge background field. This controls the background color of the numbers. Just for demonstration, I'll temporarily change the color to black. When we preview the widget, we can see the color update immediately. Now we switch it back to the original color. Once everything looks good, we copy the widget code. Then we return to our page builder and paste the code into the second HTML container right below the Google Maps widget. We click Save, and then Save again in the top right corner. Now we preview the page. As you can see, both widgets load correctly. The final step is simply adjusting spacing and sizing so the widgets look balanced and aligned properly on the page. And that's it. We've successfully added two IDX add-ons widgets to our homepage that allow visitors to explore listings by area and visually interact with properties on the map. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and follow our channel for more tutorials. See you in the next Realty Candy video.